viewers, I'm Anna Kosatkina. You're watching the latest economic calendar on InstaTV. The interest rate decision of the Bank of England and the US jobless rate and non-farm employment change are the main macroeconomic data that will be released in the second half of the week. On Thursday, attention will be paid to the Bank of England interest rate decision. The benchmark rate is expected to remain unchanged at the level of 0.5%. Besides, the Bank of England will most likely keep its asset purchase facility at £375 billion. The negative inflation readings favour a later interest rate hike by the Bank of England. A month earlier, the Bank of England also did not change the key interest rate and asset purchase facility. The regulator uses these measures to keep bond yields low. Last time, the base rate was cut by 0.5 percentage points to 0.5% on the 5th of March 2009. The excessively rising pound, sluggish housing market and low labour productivity, alongside Greece problems and zero inflation caused by a fall in oil prices, make markets favour the scenario of a later interest rate hike. Recently, the Bank of England hinted that the middle of 2016 is the most reasonable timing to raise the lending cost. On Friday, the reports on jobless rate and non-farm employment change will be revealed in the United States. Economists projected that the unemployment remained at the level of 5.4%, while the US economy created 226,000 new vacancies in the reporting period. In April, the US non-farm sector added 223,000 jobs, exceeding the forecast for 220,000. The March print was corrected downwards to 85,000 from 126,000. In April, the unemployment rate decreased to 5.4% from 5.5% in March, reaching the low of May 2008. Nevertheless, the positive statistics on labour markets contrast with the recent drop in retail sales. Such a difference creates extra difficulties for the Fed in making a decision on the timing and volume of the interest rate hike. Moreover, the following macroeconomic reports will be published at the end of the week. On Thursday, the Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda will make a speech. Australia will provide its data on retail sales dynamic and trade balance. In Canada, the May statistics on the Purchasing Managers' Index will be disclosed. The weekly data on unemployment claims will be released in the US. On Friday, revised GDP data for the first quarter of 2015 will see the light of day in the Eurozone. Canada will report on employment change and jobless rate, the OPEC meeting will be held, and on Saturday the G7 meetings will start. And this concludes the list of the latest economic events presented to you in the calendar for this week with me, Anna Kosatkina. Thank you and goodbye.